Hi friends, I wanna share with you the unbox of this product that is a magnetic 3-in-1 wireless charger. You can use it to charge your smartphone, your iWatch, and your AirPods all at the same time. So came in this box. I think that the design of the box is beautiful. Came with this cable that is Type C and USB. This is a charger right here. The best part of this charger is that in this part of the charger, you have a nice night lamp. So let me show you how to use it. Came with the charger and the cable. So I'm already put it in the energy, and now I'm gonna connect my charger. So look this light, I think that is beautiful. This is your night lamp. This is the part that you can use to charge your iWatch. And I think that the best part of this is that you can use the charger without the 3-in-1 charger. So you can use this part or everything together. So this part, you put it here in the back. And now I'm gonna put here my iWatch with the magnetic charger. And as you can see, my iWatch is charging right now. In this part, I'm gonna put my AirPods. You can know when your iPods are charging because the light turns yellow. And here you put your iPhone. And as you can see, my iPhone is charging. So you can put your 3 devices to charging in the night, and this will make that you can be worryless. And in the morning, you have your 3 devices with all the battery. And this part of the night light, you can change the intensity of light. You can turn it on. You can use this colored light, warm light, or this other that is like a cold light, just when just touching this part. So I think that is perfect because it's easy to use, and you use, if you need your cell phone or your iWatch, you just take it and ready. You can put it here. You can charge your phone or is in this form or this other, and can support the weight so easy. So I think that is a perfect product if you wanna charge your device without problem. This product have all the certifications that you can think, so you can be sure that your charger is secure and perfect for your devices. So I highly recommend this product. See you.